Thank you guys for 100 subscribers. I'm super excited. I can't even believe I got that much already. I was really thinking that it was gonna be like months before I saw any really real growth, but I'm so grateful for all of my new subbies and I appreciate you guys so much. I can't wait to build this community with you. So big hugs and kisses from me. What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel and another video. In today's video, I'm sharing 3 summer pieces that you can transition into the fall season. I put together 3 looks using 3 classic summer pieces, a pair of white linen pants, a pair of Bermuda shorts, and a pair of sandals. These looks are perfect for those transitioning weeks where the weather isn't super hot anymore and it's not really cold yet, when it's just that mid 70s to high upper 60s, and it's just the perfect days when it's breezy and the leaves are falling. You can still look super chic and stylish and get more wear out of some of your summer pieces. Before we get into today's video, my name is Shantae, and if you're new to my channel, I post videos about fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and anything I feel like talking about at the moment. Please hit that subscribe button if that sounds like something that you're interested in, and hit that notification bell so that you can be informed of all of my upcoming videos. Without further ado, let's get into it. In today's video, I'm sharing 3 summer pieces that you can transition into the fall seasons. You can take a few of the pieces that you have for summer and not actually necessarily have to put them away in the back closet yet. It sucks to know that, you go out and buy things for summer and then, in a few months you gotta store them away for like the next 6 to 8 months. It really annoys me. I think that's something that I've always hated about summer, is when I go and find all these cute things to wear for the summertime, but the summer months are very short, so you don't really get the best use out of them. So with these looks, you can wear some of those pieces just a little bit longer. The first outfit that I put together for you guys is a pair of Bermuda shorts with a button-down cardigan and a pair of ankle boots. I love this look. It's giving major Cali vibes. California is famous for having really warm weather in the daytime, and then in the evenings the temperature drops really low. This look is so Cali, so LA, and I just love the chicness of it. Paired it with a neutral bag and these really pretty colored army green ankle boots. I got these boots during the anniversary sale, the Nordstrom anniversary sale. I love this boot, the pointed toe, the heel is perfect height, the color is so fall. Even though it's an army green, this color tends to give more neutral colors and tones, so it works and pairs very well with the cardigan. And I think this look is so great. It's a great way to reuse these shorts, and yeah, I love it. What do you guys think? This next look I created for you guys is utilizing this pair of white linen pants. If you guys didn't get a chance to check out my summer style essentials video, the white linen pants made the cut. They're a quintessential summer piece, and you typically aren't really thinking, how can I wear these in the fall, or how can I reuse this pair of pants? But they will work. They can work probably for those earlier weeks of fall when it's not super cold yet. Linen pants are very lightweight, so they catch all the air and all the wind. So more than likely, you'll probably be able to get away with them probably for those first few weeks. It depends on where you live, really. Our weather tends to give more summer, probably further into September and October. In this look, I paired the linen pants with a denim shirt, a denim button-down shirt, and a pair of Adidas sneakers, and a little, colorful bag for a pop of color. I think this is a cute, super chic look, super comfy. This would be great for probably the office, on a casual office day. A look for maybe like shopping or brunch with the girls. I love this look. It's super comfortable. I think that's what I love about it the most. And I love white linen pants. I just love them. They're just so iconic for summer. but you don't have to get rid of them. And you know, the thing about fall is if it gets cooler, you can just add layers. So with this particular look, I could probably pair it with a sweater or tie a sweatshirt around my neck. I love this look. It's super cozy, super comfy, and you can use your white linen pants just a little bit longer. This final look that I put together for you guys features this pair of red mule heeled sandals that I got a few summers ago. I love my summer shoes, okay? I really, really do. And it makes me sad to think, oh, I won't be able to wear those till what? Next year sometime. That really sucks. I think that's the suckiest part of this whole thing is all these cute summer things that I can't wear for a while. This look is featuring these gorgeous bright red quilted mule sandal slides. I love this shoe. I paired it with this cream wrap skirt that I got from Banana Republic factory outlet probably sometime last winter. And I also paired it with this sweatshirt, this H&M sweatshirt. I love the blue and white stripes, and then it has a little bit of the red in the lettering, and so that red shoe is really catching that lettering, and I love this look. You guys know, if you watched my last video, my obsession with this color combination. I love blue and white with red in any format, and this look is just so cute. It's really unexpected. This sweater skirt is giving very, you know, put together, very straight, and pairing it with this kind of whimsical sweatshirt and like this really bright print is just so fun. And then the shoe, it just gives, you know, super stylish, but I didn't try too hard, and I just love this look so, so much, and I can't wait to wear it out. So that's it, guys. Those 3 outfits are perfect using those summer pieces so you can get a little bit more wear and use them a little bit longer. Comment below and let me know which look is your favorite. Personally, I think I'm toggling between the blue and red with the white skirt and the red shoe and the cardigan sweater with the green boots and shorts. I don't know which one is my favorite. You guys let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit that like button. If you're not following me on social media, you're missing out, because usually over there I'm sharing outfits of the day, style tips, and little peeks and glimpses into my everyday life in my stories and in my feed. I love you guys so much, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. Bye.